and pay the bride price and marry the girl. What that the girl nigga said them and the put Jamai nigga he put Jamai that girl bra come to go in 1 year. Oh next week bra come bra menu sister bra come go in 1 year. Oh next year na nigga he da what of mobile phone na girl nigga you su girl Bible say what that guy no hey kwani wadi o kwani wadi asamato the book of Exodus chapter 16 no 22 verse 16 no I say what that down value wie na o turn again wie a won na dey wie no say what that na wie kwani wadi won say won pene so na ya mutwam say won pene na ya madi mutwam na tie obiara waware on both the mind no ayede the marriage do not commit fornication but they commit adultery. The marriage do not commit fornication but they commit adultery. Obia waware on both the mind no ayede so can come Bible say our or say German body be man jan area sia say enyo bia ya ba wan man asama ye kan so Bible say German body be man jan area obisa che we say omugu so ya abo na onyanya ne wan de no na be abana politi no na say hold to me a jano sa sia say me say Bible say our say here need the mind for no be bo mo achen no bo only mistake only mistake na say what aware wo a mesraw na waso twemu a we so only aduane ya mesraw say no say won tumi tran mo a mesraw onko catering school onko ifa catering school ko say aduane mia we dey ya usika ade usika no fashion nsa tie so we dey ya usika me se fire dey fashion nsa no keep scan ma so we dey berifo ana ba continue na ba mpa ye no on to be ye me to akọ so we dey fa wechi a no obo jama ya me sraw we ye no 24 na mo oni mbo na mo nyama mo ta ma wa ya se every says I won't need now because me jam me get if I married up with the mind now with now Matthew 19 now me ko Matthew 19 no hono na bebre enya ka say bema jama moti bema jana ka wala ka tro wala ka tro o tana won tia sentia say jama moti ja wo yere ye kebi na wo kebi o nya say wo nim ya wo ka ewo gentia cancer yanko Matthew 19 no verse 9 o dem fem free verse 4 na say when kwambra me ono me sam show pa me to me kwase kikan yin na yanki kan yin na ni panti say e me be verse 3 nembra na frasi for ne ban chen be so no shey tie and so show me say be dey ye be so na shey Frasi for nan fa jempan ko bisa asem no. If Yesu so mammoe no, wa mammoe na asem ba ko pe. O the France am be miansa le kan ye. If say omo ko ye dey. Omo ko so na hwe. Tie. O say na Frasi for ne ba ne nchen be so no hwe say. Obi on kwan say asem bia nti o jale ire ana. Sa mere ni mu kwan ye min jana na. Sa mere no bon onjaru ye minja na sa mere ofameti minja na sa mere oyefo minja na sa mere ohwia made minja na sa mere say asem na ti minja mere ana ti Yesu ka jero na obuase won say monken kanin sa efrim fitiase no de obo onipa no bare mani oba no yo won obisa wasem o jana kwale ponti ana bisani wa me o jano akwale dey ponti ana kramai Se o jano akwa wale wo nwa nipa dia ene o se nipa.
Ono so ye nipa.
Dio Bible wo si yemfa wo nyansa ma wo ntiase o. O se man kan ye. Se ntiase no po nipa no. But man your ba no e dey opo wo. They no cancer because na for say for no e bisa se obi won kwan se o jan iri ana. Aka se yes bisa tra omuti ase se bari man your ba ena opo wo eni ti se wo si wo jan no dia. Wo jan ma wo nwa nipa bari man na oba na ba kokwa ye dey ba ko wa no. Sana tell dia eni oba no men jaro. Every say ya wala aboa na ye dia. And ye dia o jari pa na wala bobe ye ka kwa no
ko so so ahwe.
Every say but ya wala aboa. Etino wo ja wo yire ana kunu a. Mesraw. Ore ma ho kwan sa. Ore ma ho kwan sa. O se na bare mani oba no yo won. Ana o kan se yenti onipa bejanne janne nana odene ho confirm ne yere ho na won be no aye honam kro won be no aye honam sen
Kro.
ata se bay mani oba wale mo no o me ba ku o
Sa.
wo se wo janu a wa ye si wa ka half wo ja wo ye no a wo ye half na wonam wo ja wo kunu na wo ye half na wonam
Sa.
o be bia nya sasati so a o ni kan we be yie
Sa.
adi owu afane ko
Sa.
so wo afane ko na padlock no ebie
Bi.
na ebie so far as abamanu wuye abanu wuye wo firi okuro me da wo ri okuro abetna nkran ha abe wale ba
Sa.
hwe
City game.
ena yenya abebuo eye demonic proverb Bonsala be po ada bre ebibifo usro ware a unya wade pa se usro awdai a unya wade pa na we da kofo ano emai wan titire emai wano usro awdai a unya wade pa bonsama bomo pa mu nim tia
Koso.
bonsama bomo pa usro awdai a unya wade pa jai na so yenti onipa be janne na odon ho of family yere ho na won benu abaye honam koro enti na won naso nya belu bio na imom no wo ye honam ba ko abom ose na enti die lopon aka abom no e ma onipa biara entity ebusa peli enti wona wo fran kutunkuni
Sa.
wo fran won toma
Sa.
akwati ensan se awai wu kunu no o asembo ne po ebusia peli
Kachire no.
ebusia peli
Kachire no.
estuntuma una na wale no usi kunu
Sa.
o fa sia no usi ugu oye no ebusia peli me de o kasa tie me ebusia peli wo frantuma atie dina sa ko di nsan no egu oye no Jina yie. Se ye wona usiesie ore na be ka tire yen. Se ye wona usiesie ore na be ka tire Yakopon. Hwe. Bible say na ade biara Yakopon aka abono. Ma oni pa le den. Entity. Why you ho? Ena me jano. Iti mo de. Me jano. Hwe. When bisa na go on here, when bisa nko when is a mistake no, but upon tinem
Odi akono na go ware.
tinem say na etono susu ope etono eti o say etono ho na ware oba no dia mesina o etono ho
Odi taste na go ware.
tina ho oba no 3 we go itire so the nim color ne tade a sha no ne mok
Se de one ne da.
me nyina ne body eso wo se betumi na ware yes
Sa.
first company na ya maintain ya wo se wontumi hey tina ho tamana wo ye tuma na sa wo nsem no
Aha.
e ka bia wo se wontie
Untie.
wona for to se bra come kwesi menu abayo e wotumi o se o mo jam na mo musika tamana wo ye ka ho na sika ba wo nsem na brand ye wo sika ka bia wo se wontie
Sa.
one more empire wusi abanwa ne mpokwa susuntino wa na ho sa ukusuta Brazilian hair sa ukusuta Brazilian hair sa woto sa o mana sta ko eriti sa se ahon se da ahon de wo sa wo ye se ya sa utumi e man legends musica oto picanto pamano ana wa sa to picanto amano ana wato hundai atos
obie boutique
ana obie boutique amano obie salon amano se ahon de wo ana wa
o mana ma bi so ne ma
no problem so ayabanama kan fa ho open sa every say the nipo le kun the nipo kanu wa na wo da eti wada bo tu fu na wo se won tia se na wo ho ka so wo sika samba fam no ba na sa se rusi ko ho a se yie na wan ka se wo dare wo dane se yie na wan dane bo mo dia bo pa na area yi na tsana ho if you say Brazilian hair obeje one fe manu a obakoje abonten ana okoje abonten so seye na wan jaro tena ho one man paye akowode abati bonkoso abati bonkoso aba kwasia aba jimi fo na wako ware no so one man paye bon sam de mbati bonkoso ma wo obonsam ode ma kwasia e ma jimi fo sa mbati bonkoso omo sama wona emba wade won paye Sawo se mba wale won pa ya obi wade abati bonkoso pa e bra won pa boa no e de no piti no na wo de wo se hey oba ide ne tupa again me share tale wo na beta kok ni pa ya mo human beings they are very pathetic very pathetic e ho mo po verse 7 Wakacha no say na edi na Moses say won ma aweja ye won ma na won ja no Jesus say ma won ja ware because Bible no say we ne who funu wa to me ja no e Old Testament oba no funu wa to me dey to me ja no oba ko de ma ye kuno nobody who put the Bible Old Testament be still you'll be stoned to death.
Right.
If you commit adultery in the Old Testament, you will be stoned to death. But in the New Testament now, yes, I do. If you say yes, you are concerned, I was John chapter 8. A concern, I was John 8. And you know, Makuma didn't na Moses yet then, Mama or Jay woman. Makuma yet day. Nipakuma yet day, you know, who can't suffer, or can a grandpa, memfa. E wo misa oba no menya ne ho ade batafo me mfa futu na wo de ma me no akoma na e dintia na nya woni obi kan na akoma ye din yo enya woni obi kan na akoma ye din ye din nti akoma ye din a ne de foforo sha ase akoma din ti na Moses sha se won ma wo rejan wo ma no se won se akoma din ti na Moses ma mo kwan se munja mo yere nom na efim bitia no ankante sa efibutiasia no anka owon kwa na ya de akatete wariem enso makoma tinti no ana wuja warie enti mesemo sa nyete manba enti na obi jana yire na ore fofura na wasaya wade bibisaw na dia obi wade dia woja no nso no wasaya wade bibisaw obi aware obo jamai ana osaya wade a married person that he or she commit adultery or fornication adultery and fornication. When you are married you don't commit fornication. All what you do is adultery. But now for the adultery yes we can adultery asem wa or can fornication. It men come out say Jesus say nja wade hey Misrao men tani asem no enko jawo ire enka jeme say Matthew 19 say ye jai oba no obi aware ombojaman yo o say aware it is a would be say won o ire te no mbo ade o ha jeme say no to the phone die na mo pa so le panko na mo kwa so le bon na se dodo kwa so le bon sa je tie na esiafo no se no se so ni pa ne yiri ntema semete se de ya na enye se owari o samwati asema esiafo no kan esiafo no se eri Yesu na sai na bari mani aban ntema wari atie se wari a utumi jai this be one san la dia enye se le enye rade enye se ni kwase wari elokrenso ne mo tie sabe wana bompa ye na wo se rade pisa me ware me papa aware a me ka metra wo se obema oba nyansani ama wo ne betena on ma problem da sa bema oba nyansani oba on fiti oba on hardware oba ne pelifo oba on wiade ama no watena boaboa no obo brama na ye sa so wo obi a no ne iratena abang kokra ene mrewa amoda waware a be ma nya ba papa tia ana oban so nya be ma papa osi yade say na be ma nya oban tama ware tia dia ana say ni kwan say ware urade eyampa tina Paul kan say eye pasa be ma on ware eye pasa be ma on fa won kan oba ne twamanti our first Corinthians 7:1-2. 1 Corinthians 7:1-2. I say Jamamboti because of fornication, because of sexual immorality. Let every man have his own wife, and every woman her own husband, because of adultery, because of fornication and sexual immorality. Listen, Jamamboti, any Jamai nyama enyentino, very much be here. No oba bia so nya ono ne kunu wanka kunum dabi wanka yerenom na mo ebia pon and now bet me no bi o TV so radio so say wadi me renye bone omunya mosamfo omunya edmama bonsam mentie won don't listen to them. They are working for the Antichrist. Anybody who will tell you can marry two, that person is working for the Antichrist. Anybody who convinces you that you can marry two, when you are brand but not wearing the new, or be clear of the way shower, tell you of your bonsam, or your occult pastor, or your occult pastor, bonsam on the park, it is not general about them, so we need more. Tia asembia Yesu ka sire esuafo no hopo na ya asem no ebra esuafo no kan say na bare mani abantem aware atia dia enye se ni kwan se obi ware no tie mboya Yesu de ma won o se na eitofo bi wo ho a wo sa everyone na yem ana eitofo bi wo ho na mo nipa na ye won sa ana eitofo bi wo ho na mo a oso ahinie itina wo ye won sa ye betimi agie no manenje Yesu akane jam niya obetimi age no anya de onje ne betimi agie asem ye kan sa aware asem no e asem ye ni presem no ne betie oni tie o se obi won ma oye tutoni ye ka obi oye tutoni a obi ya castrate no obi oye Enoch obi a ya sano be ma ya sano abawa kono ni mo Yesu my example bi tieniye na sa won tia sa wati ase ama wo sofo na odada wo sa odada o se obi ada ya castrate no obi ye yi the show mwamba and the eunuch there were 3 types of eunuch. Number 1 obi won mo a oya eunuch because sa o de wo no eti asiri say obi won mo a o ware because enye heaven no area o ware obi won mo o ware because e de wo no hey ye efie wo mu de ya ware sa efie we ye ware sa efie we efie we de sa efie we fo na e ware nipa wo chaw So the side way ebo bra. Ono wade ba kwasia.
Sir.
Tell say ye fi ha de ye wade say fi we nko a.
Sir.
Enti ye abe ye wo nge. Ya si shower ya man da. Ya si shower ya man no.
Paul bi ama no.
What is say obi a oye Tony a e de wo ni fi awo e fi re wo ni fi na yem. Na no so ile ti no ye de. Oye Tony, you are an Enoch not because of heaven, but you are an Enoch because you were born like that. Enti misrawo me tie de obi ka se wade asam ba wo de won paye bo wo de won paye ne wade nche oba papa na wale no ena yen fantefo de yen wade ibefo yen fantefo de yen wade ibefo na sa wo ya ibeni a obede hu hey oh say wo ye you know every mama yem you are an Enoch from your mother's womb. And if you will have a covenant deeper because you will marry a foolish woman. Because some of our empire, that is where God will give you a wise woman. One more empire, that will give you a foolish woman. And I can't afford you, I can't afford one. Now, sir, one people don't know can you bear the yeah. What was that? A big call hell because of our renti. Our now because I just shout to that. I just shout manati. A woman tongue eh. I just shout man. Some follow. I'm having quiet things because of one hour no. Oh, a bad thing. Oh, about frustrate you. I'm going to be focusing on your marriage. Before you marry, please pray. Proverbs chapter 19 verse 14 says, a wise woman comes from the Lord. If you can live a better life, a pleasing life before God, unless you marry to a wise woman, and that wise woman, it is only the Lord God who gives. If you don't pray over marriage, if you don't pray before you enter into marriage, the devil will give you a foolish woman, and she will frustrate you. She will drag you to hell. Before you get married, because marriage is sending many souls to hell. You can't divorce your wife because of adultery. No, you can't. Bible say a bit more is all because a woman free your ass out every on my million. And a bit so a for because a nipa na yamusa. Amen. Amen. Everyone say because nipa na yamusa. Nipa na yamusa o. Nipa na yamusa. Oba na wawe na bidi na eyo nwa na kuma. Eyo nwa nsa onwa na kuma. Onwa na kuma. Mesi oba bi na ware no onwa nipa onwa na e no sa. Obi so na mu a. Ne ma me say hey. Kofi about be ware no. Upo ware ba no. By force ware ba no. Ya shine sa mana ware ba no. Why worry because of heaven? Before you marry, think about heaven before you marry. Because Bible say some also are eunuch because of the kingdom of God. Because of Australia. Therefore, if you want to marry, think about heaven first before you get enter into marriage. Our here, and yet forever. Marriage is not forever. And I did a wedding ring at mo. And I made a swanon kawaii a shawansa. Say, many would not now affable forever and ever. If it need a dad, I will say, kawaii around any event saying a poor intino, Moariano, and trap. Oh, what's the worry, sir? If I wedding ring to I'm saying that wedding ring is part of many divorce. Sir. Wedding ring is part of many divorce. Why? Because Oduwa mo only the ring as mo apelo we kan wa officer we ja wa. Officer we ja. But I pray can Malachi 2:14. No Bible say God is a witness, not your wedding ring. Sir. Therefore put your wedding ring aside. God is a witness of the marriage. Therefore, when you throw away your wedding ring, don't deceive yourself that you have divorced the woman. When you go to AMA, when you go to Registrar General, and you go and sign divorce papers, don't deceive yourself that you have divorced the marriage. The marriage is not yet dissolved. That marriage is not yet dissolved because unless one dies, that marriage can never be dissolved. Okay. Therefore, if you are going to enter into marriage, please take your time. Pray fervently over it. Don't pay a year before you enter into marriage. And the young boys, the young girls know our real the prayer could put some because I'm sorry you pay or sorry you pay. Sure. It is up as our warrior. It's now to pass it, won't pay it. And some way a cow them, but as upon them can go and tell you. Our rear and the break or say him. Our rear, the break or say him. Marriage is sending many people to hell. Once a man go and reconcile with your wife. After a mom worry with you. So worry at a year. Paul is saying, one night warrior, Uncle Wario, who open up for Mr. So to me, so also worry. My uncle, 1 Corinthians 7 hormona.
Yes,
Uncle 1 Corinthians 7 hormona. We open up for we know. Who we open up for Mr. Who you have the right to marry again. Man, but am sir? Man, some and some sir. Sir. Now, Mumuni, I tell what nobody pray our safe one. Any common for what pet I get to get it. What pet metal helmet, bar and metal helmet. Yet the sumi are the more do car, boss for empire, and I am one. Check. 1 Corinthians chapter 7. Check. One hour, hour, there won't come away. 1 hour, there won't come away. Dear. Not yes, said. Nangopon. On all, so will you be a won't find some in your human. I dear obey Yawono. I dear obey Yawono, what to me now. Check. Now, Nippon sure I did. Nippon Ferrina make. Nipa your penny pay yet. Check. Now, when the air bunny pasua. Anka. What to move for? What to move for? What to move for? Up at Napopo extra point them. Anka at Temwo and Bamoso. Now, so in the Onipa so yame. Onipa so yame. Tie. Make a road, verse 7, verse 8 and 9. After me come to a for near Kunafo, said, I am my one and say what now said me. As I want to me and sell a hoswa. One worry. Now I say what I worry, as I say one who by your own. 1 Corinthians chapter 7, verse 8 and 9. I say a yama of Kunafo and now say a suitor for. Say one worry. Say want to me answer also the one worry. Sir. We are Kunafo. We are Obia. We are Sujadiani. We are worry. We are bachelor. We are spinster. Bible say worry. So what say worry? And I will say, put your mind. Put your mind. Now me come to a suja for near Kunafo. Hey. Me come to a suja for near Kunafo. Bachelors and the widows. Say, I am one self. What now say me? And come on, Warren, if you say, I want them what to do. We are sitting in our way, and can you? If I want them what to do, so I already play over here. I said, we are Sudan, and now we are Kunafua. I said, oh, what now, General. I say, now what to me, so who swap? honam ayawo mentumi na wontumi nhyɛ wo so a ɔse ware go and marry na sɛ ware na wana fisa ayɛ odwuma wow fisa ayɛ odwuma o sika nti ɛdɛ kɔme ba na wo nna yɛ ɛdɛ wosia kofi ɔde ho ama no wo pɛ sika nti wo pɛ mobile phone nti wo pɛ ɛdɛpade nti na wo tɔ ho ma mmarima hey hwɛ yie paa na wahwɛ ne yɛ wo huri yie woyɛ apranteɛ wote so ɛbɔ bra wotumi ahai dan wotumi ata asase wotumi asi dan si so wo sika wo ware yɛ wo kɔba wote wase wɔn ɛna ɛhyɛ wo sɛ na ware wɔn ɛna ɔhyɛ wo sɛ na ware na sɛ apranteɛ fi sɛ ne ho asi ne ho so ɔte n'ase ɔte ne ho eti ɛnɛ ama ba pan osia akosua pan osia efua pan osia ɔba bia bɛ hyɛ ne biara ɔbɛ wɔ ne skɛti ɔba bia bɛ hyɛ ne biara ɔbɛ wɔ ne skɛti wodi ɛbɛbie so na ɔbɛ bie de yɛ mmie so ɔbɔnsam so asoma ne dede gum ha ɔbɔnsam asoma ne dede gum ufi sɛ mmaa na nante na ɛkɔ ɛba no wɔ nyina yɛ nipa ufi sɛ mmaa na ɛkɔ ba yɛ no yɛ mo nyina yɛ nipa ebi yɛ ahohom o bebree yɛ ahohom ne nipa na wɔn no ne nipa ɔba woba hɛ wobɛtumi ahyia ɔba bi na wadrɛse ɛwɔ kyɛm mesrɛ wo ɛyɛ wo nti na wɔtwam ɛnyɛ obiara ɛyɛ wo ntia ɔpɛwe praw ɔpɛwe ayɛyɛn ɛpraw amodeɛ wofi sɛ skirt bia na ewurem skirt bia ɔpɛsɛ owurem zip abayewa wofi sɛ zip bia na ebie abayewa waabi sɛ zip bia na ebie ebi yɛ ɔwɔ paa na ɔwɔ paa ebi yɛ pembre akyerebe nanka ɛnenam no ɛkɔ aba no mmeranteɛ no bi ebi yɛ nipa wo mmeranteɛ no ebi yɛ nipa ebi tɔnye ɔkɔt ɔpɛ ɔbaa bi ho nsuo akɔɛ na ne nya nkomadeɛ obi akɔ ne sikaduro ɛsɛ ɔkɔ ɔbaa ase nsuo mmra nti no sika na ɔtete ma wo no abayewa sika na ɔtete ma wo no ɔde wo kra ne wo mogya ɛkɔgye mmɔwo ɛsɛ wofi sɛ wonya aberante a ɔwɔ sika ya wo de no ɛgye shine hwɛ yɛbɛsiew na nsɛ yɛbɛsiew bɛtofo yɛbɛsiew hwɛ wɔpɔ wo ho na watane artificial woman na mehu de ha mma ne tirinwi yɛ artificial ne skin color yɛ artificial ne nim yɛ artificial ne tom yɛ artificial ne nufu artificial maame sister wodie po wodi wo yɛ pɛsɛ wo bɛyɛ deɛ wobɛhu ɛnɛ nyɛ ne na hypertension a mmaayewa no hypertension blood pressure BP ɛna tete mba no cancer of the breast obi tɔ kɛse nyinaa silicon silicon aba bi won ma se otu abom wa bom enti no ɔkɔ ɔbemfoɔ na on separate no yan separate no ɔbɛ kola shape ɔbɛ sɛ wɔyɛ fish na wo nipa wo pɛ sɛ wɔyɛ fish wo yɛ aboa sabi o meni wa tɛm o na bisa sɛ wo yɛ aboa na meni wa tɛm mi bisa wa sɛm wo yɛ aboa bisa aboa ɛna ɔyɛ de sa aboa na nipa ɛyɛ bi yi o na ewiase na ɛnam no yɛ obi deɛ o ɛyɛ bi deɛ na mo sa aware saa no ɛna mo sɛ aware saa no nɛ obi ti aware ho sɔfo obi ti aware ho ɛyɛ ne kunu a ɔsɛ mɛ ti bɛɛ ma ne fi aba gɛɛ ne nsɛm abayewa wo nkyɛn mi kunu abayewa wo nkyɛn mi kunu.
Be careful.
Abrante wo nkyɛn mi yere.
Sir.
Wo yɛ wo ho aboa o.
Sir.
Wo yɛ wo ho aboa mɛ ni de wa tɛm. na woyɛ yɛ wo aboa woyɛ yɛ dɛn woyɛ wo aboa sakra na pɛ ɔde tiri kwan ɛfiri sɛ Jesus Christ ɔfrɛ wo Bible say nea ɔpɛ ne ho anya na wɔmfa kwan pa so no ɛnya sade na ɔpɛ no ɔte sɛ akokɔhwedeɛ a ɔbutu nkosua a ɛnyɛ ɔno na ɔtoo yɛ so na Bible say ɔbɛbu ne nam fa agya na ɛkyi na ɔbɛyɛ kwasea nea ɔpɛ ne ho anya no yɛamfa na ntoto bibia ho sɛ aboa bi a ɛfa na akokɔhwedeɛ mbɛba wo kyɛw akokɔhwedeɛ ɔyɛ nipa na ɔyɛ aboa obi a ɔgye obi kunu obi a ɔgye obi yere what is that akokɔhwedeɛ o akokɔhwedeɛ sɛ ɔyɛ aboa ɛtɛm ka kyerɛ wo sɛ mɛnya wo aboa ebisɛ sɛ wogye adeɛ nya wo dea wote adeɛ nya wo dea ho a woyɛ aboa ebisɛ akɔgye eduro ɛde ayɛ obi kunu akɔgye eduro de ayɛ obi kunu ɛna wo gye ne fɛ ne nsɛm ɛda etuo no bɛtete no ɛna bɛhu sɛ wɔyɛ mistake wɔn sɛ ɔyɛ aboa bi awie nipa bi ayɛ mo mmoa sɛ kwanya ɔbɔ so na ne ho no ɛmfie awurade ɔnam kwan bɔne so na ɔpɛ ne ho anya ɛti maa mie maa paapaa obi na wo gye no woyɛ ɛho aboa so wonim woyɛ ayɛ ɛho aboa na mo mmeranteɛ na modi nkɔfɔ yi ne mo akyi no mesuma mo yɛnkɔ Proverbs 6 na yɛnkɔ na yɛfa ɛsɛ pa no mmerɛ wieɛ the book of Proverbs chapter number 6 mo a modi nkɔfɔ yi ne mo akyi no mo a wokyi obi yiri akyi mesuma wo deɛ ɛba wo sɔ no wonni ho idea o obi yiri na wodi akyi no wode wonsura deɛ obi yiri paa obi yiri ɛna wodi n'akyi eti wodi bebrebe nyinaa wonsuro abranteɛ ebe ne yiri te ama ɛnɛmama yɛ de kakra nneɛmama yɛ de kakra wɔfa ɛno ho ɛde yɛ care of ɛna wogye abayewa no firi abrante wogye abayewa no efiri ne kunu nsɛm abrante no kɔ adwuma na ɔba nso gyimie ɔba nso gyimii ɔde ne ho abrɛw na wone no da wone a obi yere da na wo aberanteɛ wo so a wonya ti woagye nya adwuma wone obi yere hyɛ wo na mɔmesuma wo sɛ wogyimi wo ho a yɛka na woni mmra wo ho so ɛfisɛ ɛno deɛ yɛgyimie gyimie paa sɛ obi yere sɛ mepɛ obi yere a na adɛn ya wo wo anaa ɛma yi wɔ obi wonya bi bɔmpae no so pɛ wo deɛ na obi abrabra bɔmpae no ne deɛ no sɛ mekaeɛ ade ɔba kwasia onim sɛ yɛngua a ɔyɛ mpa wo fi onim ade mu yi ɔwɔ sika yɛmbɔ ne kyɛm so ɔyɛ ntoosifoɔ ahemaa nti yɛmbɔ ne kyɛm so ɔyɛ hairdresserfoɔ nyinaa ahemaa seamstressfoɔ ahemaa nyaadoafoɔ ahemaa mankayifoɔ ahemaa nti yɛmbɔ ne kyɛm so sɛ ɔgyimi ne ho a na ɔgyimi ne ho saa wode obi yere ti wode obi yere ti kyɛntimi no na pa wo yere fa wo kaa asɛm na wodada ɔba no to nkyɛn woma kaa ɛnti wode wo kaa dada wo yere sɛ woanhwɛ no yie kaa no ɛbɛtete wo nam kaa sɛ bɛhwe ase bɛtete wo nam wode obi yere ti wobɔ ho dua na wonnim wobɔ ho dua obi bia wode obi yere ti ɔbɔ ne ho dua wonkɔ sua woyɛ atɛntɛnhuro wikɛn biara kɔ akɔsombo wikɛn biara kɔ akɔsombo wodi obi yere ɛkɔ hotel wotu kwan kɔ faara wo ekɔ akɔsombo wodi obi yere woyɛ mɔbɔ
ọba ni di kan wɔ hɔ
ayi ɔba ni di kan kɔ akɔsombo na wodi wa frɛ mi ohu yɛ mɔbɔ ohu yɛ mɔbɔ nipa nneɛma di agorɔ nipa nneɛma di agorɔ Sure.
Mama Dima, Bobby, I'm going to say yes. You know, she's a home.
Eh?
To the friend of food, so.
Eh? Hey. Nipa e mo bo.
Two hours.
Nipa e mo bo.
One super two.
Nipa e mo bo. Nipa e mo bo. Tie. Me do fit Proverbs 7. Me bu 7. Ye kan be 10 mra. Me kan ko 27 na me na da be wiye. Me kan ha wiye na da be wiye. Na me jibri se da kre ya me de wa kan. Obetie na Bajimba wafa da bobra. Proverbs 7 verse 10 to 27. Tie. Oti na she. Oba bi sia. Oti she. Oda me free one kwa na asem ne de. Oti me ba de minsam so. Na fa membra ensam sie.
Solomon e kasa.
De membra ensam so. Na nyankwa. Na bu membra se woni wa concrete coach ase ne kungu na bu membra se woni wa ase den kucha wisi sasa fire oboso famranya oboso metiso na nko jano fatitire wo enti ase so tie fatitire wo enti ase so ase twere wakoma pon so na tire katire nyansa se minua pa ne wo na frɛ ihunu se wadanfo na ahyawoso efiri oba onanani ho na ahyawoso efiri oba nanani ho de ka oba nanani a oba kwasia oba ongen oba owakuru nanso ofa ni kuru etishi efe no oba nanani oba ti bonkoso oba ofiti oba ombwani kunu oba bonsabo ne pa oba ole peyifo ona ni oba na ni tie niye na ahyawoso efiri oba na ni ho efiri oba hoho a oka adokodoko sem no ho oba a oka adokodoko sem oba a hoho oba wunnim no okuru so ni kuru oba no kuru so ni kunu ana wajja ne mba no amane kunu awo dome abra wajja ne mba no amane kunu no ewo efele sei fantikro ibiso ewo ebe kro ibiso ewo north ewo efele asantikro ibiso wajja ne obara ne bana amane kunu ana waba ankran ana waba boso ose oli kunu abranti so sabe o me ni watemu o na tell you one more way mo wana kra oh who skirt up person here oh to me person who skirt ni we be say me say ba na wan go free no yan compass yan goda sabe me dimi o sabe ya wo lu fo na wonu ye na wonu na twirifo oba nipa lu fo na me ye wonu na twirifo enti ya wade say onipa o say na me free me dan empoma mu na ase me free me dan empoma mu na mani ehunu ankasa mu me hwei na me hwe entete kwafo bi entete kwafo ni mu tie ose entete kwafo ni mu o hwei na me hunu mafra ni mu abranti wa bi a oniti abranti a oniti onne wan abranti a oniti a bema kwasia oniti Bema na ko appoint this one in Saswo. Na all day. Na we hu no bigere na se ope. We bema kwasia. Bema oniti, ya bema hu bigere o se le pe no. We bema oniti o, uniti. Daitimi no. No yo bigere. Ayo bigere daitimi no. No yo bigere. Bema kwasia, bema oniti, ayo bema o hu no bigere o se le pe no. Le tout se dirait. Gẹ́gẹ́ tó sùn tìmìtìmì ẹ̀dí dẹ́yìn mẹ́hu obi mẹ́hu gẹ́gẹ́ tó sùn ọ̀yẹ́ kura mi fa wọ́n mẹ́jìmí jàjìmí no na sábẹ̀ ẹ̀yẹ́ nà ntiẹ́ ní fúnà ọ̀nùmọ̀ yẹ nípa nífọ̀ nà ọ̀nùmọ̀ yẹ ọ̀sẹ̀ onítì o onítì ẹ̀ndẹ̀ mí ní wà tẹ́mu o ẹ̀sẹ̀ báyìí kan yẹ ẹ̀wọ̀ jẹjẹrẹmà sẹ̀ obi ọ̀pẹ̀ ní hó ẹ̀yà na wọn pa kwan pa so no ọtí sá àbúà ọ̀hwẹ́ deẹ bàmí mẹsìlá I'll be there. Only Panayabua.
Oyaboa.
Until you what them. I sit here. Only Tio. Opre. Or say opre. Opre abontini. Bena. Or say opre abontini. Bena ot na inchi. Enchia. Ebra a adewesa. Enyumbre. Anade konkon ne esummu. Na hwe. Aba oba bi sia no abrante no niti no oba bi sia abrante no
Sa.
oba bi sia no ofra tamanfo tam na koma sene emba na selections no mesramo munjai na tamanfo asawfo nyama munjai nika set trash munjai
Yes.
Emba oba koma sene
Sa.
emba oba koma sene and the fret tamanfo Proverbs 7 verse 10. I said, "Nature, a baby siano, offered to my potam, Nakuma sene, and bow Makuma sene, and bow Makuma say, and a fret to my potam. Say, can't to my potama, and only what was I did a friend to my potamwa. Man, copy beer, what you call a fellow saying, called cycle, a sour for life. Call a fellow saying, baby, a sour for dinner. Baby, I shower for dinner. What do you want? Yamana Samuno, a Taman Fortam. Makeups and makeups.
Sa.
Pay me.
Papabi.
We've won.
Sa.
Messa. High heel. As my dear one, my Messa,
Sa.
now you're dressing Shaman for Yama. Omakuma Senate, Omakuma Dija, Omakuma say, check. Now, or say, offer Taman Fortam, Nakuma Senate. What did that? Na so asoro. Oh, no one I would do a man for no or see me here. What did that was say? What did that? A banner teacher. What did that one pro? It's our Kulu on Bulukulu on Palukulu Nashi. Betty, what's your brand or no command? I say, what did that? Na so asoro. The night. Ain't none of fear. On nephew, what telling the Nambama, Nukuru, and will crabby fit. Abba and Bobra, with telling you the Nambama Nukuru at Quanta Bruti. Bobra. One would 2 Quanta Bruti. Now we jump when the money when the money couldn't move a gun. I want to talk about Brutino. But now, what can I worry? Who come worry? Ma'am, cause a cat take to make a worry. Na a double pin at the point at 10 woman. Never was a mistake. Because of documents, because of permits, because of green card, because of resident papers. Not work of Forja, Samawari. Why do you think movie actors are going to hell? Why do you think the movie actors are more acting? To them, no, they are acting. But to God, there is nothing like acting. Movie actors, to them, they are acting. But before God, there is nothing like acting. Did you bet them? Our film one. Or who say a film? It's Yahoo hell. Le way money where Muna would be the one terminal. What can you want to swap? I want to swap. In the name of movie, not fear Bano. Name of movie, not said a time for Yama. The name of acting. Before God, there is nothing like acting. That's why movie actors are going to hell. They are going to hell. That's the truth. What acting movie? Remove the word acting. You act in the film. Movie acting is not acting. You are young man, you want to say you so what? Say that's a movie, and you're acting. And your Yama is here, and I'm what do you move my ears? Maybe what? It's an idea, and you know, movie was and yet, idea, and yet in the movie too, and yet, so Obi, I got to be a Pasia, Bible say obi biara or see obi say raka asese nipa hu no be for atem mo mu. Wo de bet mo film mu a wo di for. Munjai acting na mo di bone munjai. Na obe act a. Act say wo go real life. Act like you are living a real life. Movie acting supposed to be real. Say Jamaica nya mama go Jamaica movie no. Jamaica nya mama go Jamaica movie no. Some practice nya mama change plan of film move. In the movie go according to the Bible. Some to me nya mun jai movie acting. Some to me nya mun jai so mo yin sa pepe. Che. Obi say obi one mo or say or movie actor or acting as asawoni.
Yes.
It was said atade tia atade short now when people no for it now I just Jamaican dressing in the name of acting I say me acting obi so show no acting o na me titi me won na me won say that apia any e me problem mo ne some buy we ya say we get na TV so asha show dress na it's no acting me go so me acting na so me acting dia no so mama acting simple and short. Some me acted here, and you or you know I'm acted. Bible say, Obama shop bar and the condo no about the mind. About it was an activity, and I was said to mine, the condo, and the condo was also default. Simple and short. Why are simple? Why not? Why are simple? If you can't obey the word of God in your movie acting, they don't act at all. Mama acting. I didn't have a club where apostle John Pla. I have one who said, so for in the name of acting, this is who know film. In the name of acting, not apostle John Pla, this is who know film. Make up. Tell me Facebook Live. Oh, dear. Me politics. I tell you, say, go in here. Oh, die. Okay. They were both thing. Now what that die? Oh, you're not. In the movie acting, the nani po si me no wo film mu. Sa. Me a me jamais acting. Obi fa film. Esua, se de si tete kan wo nipa. Sa. Obi fa film. Esua, se de si titio. Kwa Robert. Obi fa film. Esua, se de si bia bia. Sa. Obi fa film. Esua se de si your life. Chantro. Now what I'm saying here acting. When I who track bonnet pa you are teaching immoral things. Mama acted here. Monday asem no so. Mama nti obi ade bonnet biara. Mama woro mo. Mama nyam kwase ade. Na mo nyam munye yiye. Na ye wo say movie na mo ya mo ye no. Chire ha ye pe. Yeah, kind of crowd mo movie say ye mo kind of crowd. Yeah, mama ya kana kure. Mo kana kure mo mfa. Na atemo bi ba. Ena de me ban na waresem. Na bia de next time ya ba different topic baba. So de na asofo atrofora ba no a. Sofo bi ono mo a. O de wi asedum. Ana na sorry. Wi asedum. Na o de no worry say ya ba. The book of Bible, yes, they say, and I said, you can't know what is song. You can't know what is song. No one says. So, yes, a young Baku Pampo for Swat. When I see now, one thing you must, you can't know one just and that, and anything nearby it, and nearby our some. Yea, nay, or you were damn upon say, hey, no crown of the mama, bent. Now, remember, I will tell you, radio soon I call never be let it. It's young Bambra one thing. You come with your so can't and parliament or some Bambra one thing. That's your boom decide. Young Kwan, what would you ever and say? How the young guys will come out preaching the truth with the zeal of God. But if one on what the number, Pentecost before, what the number, Christ be Nick, count on what the number. You have betrayed God. Someone said, you are not worshiping, you are not serving Jesus Christ. I will not mention your name again. So as you said, the church belongs to Jesus Christ, I will mention your name. Wunya kasa maso na me na Yesu na aso dia me bo di bio. Oh, me bo di. Some kasa aso na bo some dia me bo di bio. But the moment you say in the name of Jesus Christ, Master, na ye me bo di.
Yes.
Me bo di. Na matsa wo fomo so me bo di keke sa o. Me bo di kwara pase me bo di ese wo di dabi. Mo me kan dia wo ye na enya no. Me Bible bet say wo dia wo ye enya. Na wo say enu tina be dey. Me bo di na mo di say me se wo di dabi. Enu dia me sa na me di for.
Yes.
Enu dia me sa ma ye dey me di for. Me bo di keke sa me tan wo sa keke dia. Enu me di for. But me bo di ma say wo dia wo ye enya.
Your peace.
Ɔsi osi aba no wɔdida ɔnafie a ɔba na sɛn tiɛniye aberante wo de bɛyi n'akyi mesuma wo ɔsi wɔdida naso asoro mekan the book of Proverbs chapter 7 medu verse 12 no sɛsɛyi ɔwɔ mmɔno so sɛsɛyi ɔwɔ edwa so na ɔteta ntwi na ɔteta ntwia nyinaa so ɔsɛ ɛna ɔsɔɔ ne mu na ɔfina no tie ɔbaa no so aberanteɛ ne mu ɔbɛyere o ɔbɛyere ɛna ɔfina no no ɔsɔ ne mu ɔfina no tie deɛ to afoɔ na ɔsene n'ani ka kyerɛ no sɛ asomdue afɔrebɔ da me so asomdue afɔrebɔ yɛ den ɛda me so kyɛ sɛ bɛsi ne yɛn kɔ ne tua hotel bill no abaayɔ ne ka kyerɛ gɛ aberante ne sɛ bɛsi yɛn kɔ ne tua hotel bill no mɛtua guest house mɛtua sika no uni condom aboa me ho matobi matobi uni energy wo uni mi nkɔ 3 rounds matɔ energy drink yɛ kɔ abaayɔ na aboa ne ho ɔsi asumdua fɔdɛlɛ dɛn ɛtane so tiɛ ne yie 50 80 na ɔsi 80 na mama ma bɔ adeɛ 80 na mɛfiri ma bɛ hyia wɔ yi ma bɛ hwehwɛ wɔ nim na mɛ hunu wɔ yi mɛde ɔsi mɛde mmɔmmɔ ma kata mɛ mpa so na misiri titire mu mɛde kurobo ne pɛprɛ ne ɛsɛ biapapo ma pete mi na yɛ so. Wɔsiesie mpa no so obi a wɔkunu o abai a wɔkunu a ne kunu akasa wɔkɔ adwuma ba abai a wɔkunu a ne kunu akasa nsɛm na ɛkɔ aburotire akɔfɔn so na ma bɛfa wakɔ abai wa ne kunu ɛsɛ ɔkɔ trek dwumadi a wɔdi no dwumadi a wɔyɛ dɛn wɔdi no tie ne yie brahma ɔdɔ emi yɛn nkosi anɔpa brahma yɛn tusa yɛ wɔn saa brahma yɛn nsɛm saa ne kunu ɔkɔ onyambaayɛ brahma yɛn di ɔdɔ kɔ nkosi anɔpa na yɛn fa akɔnɔdeɛ nsɛpɛ yɛ wɔn na efewura ne fie tie baibu no yie o baibu no beebi a wɔn bi ɔsi brahma yɛn kɔ sɛpɛ yɛ wɔn efewura ne fie wɔn ne fewura no ne kunu efewura efisɛ bɛrima wari a ɔno de efe ne ti te bɛrima ne fie bi a efewura ne fie de abaayewa ne mbɛsen aberante ne mbɛsen na ɔne abaa ne nkɔnkɔ bɔ dwaman kyɛn yie ɔsi wɔtu kwan kɔ akyirikyiri wafa fotoɔ ne sika ekura srane kukuramotwa dɛmu ansan na ɔbɛ bio ɔsi bɛrima no kɔ onyama yɛ o bɛrima no kɔ ɔbɛdi 1 week. Obedi 1 month. Abaiwa wokunu. Ti asama a wɔkaka kyerɛ obi aberanteɛ bi. Adeɛ ntia na twama abɛtɛ. Ha. Na tie verse 21 no. Ɔse na ɔde brade pii to aberanteɛ no ɛto no. Ɔde mbrade pii to no. Dada aberanteɛ no. No condom sɛ bag mu. Metia hotel bill no. Bikura energy drink bɛsi yɛ kɔ. Bini bebe yɛ kɔ daadaa aberanteɛ no aberanteɛ so ti bɔ nkɔ so aberanteɛ so kyimi aberanteɛ so aboa obi yere wanten odi akyire obi yere ti wanten aberanteɛ no bi yɛ mmoa sɛ ebi yɛ mmoa ebi yɛ mua o young guys na aba no ebi yɛ mua sɛ hu obi yɛ paa sɛ mi de mi mpɛ mi de da gɛɛ yɛ na mi pɛ no na wo ti mi na de na yɛ o ɔsi na ɔde brade pii tu no na ɔde nano frɛmfrɛm nyaano de no kɔɛ nano frɛmfrɛm no nano ɔbaa no dɔkɔdɔkɔ daadaa ɔbaa no kɔɛ aberanteɛ wɔn dɔkɔdɔkɔ daadaa mmaayewa ɔdi n'akyi dɛ frɛmfrɛm sɛ nantwie a wɔkoko no aberanteɛ ɔdi ɔbaa n'akyi jɔn timi di guy yɛ ti sɛ ɔtwan ɛyɛ koko no sɛ mekan sɛ obi biara odi obi n'akyi ɔyɛ aboa bible sɛ na ɔdi n'akyi awɛnfɛm sɛ nantwie ɔyɛ nipa aberanteɛ a obi wodi obi n'akyi bible sɛ ɔdi n'akyi awɛnfɛm sɛ nantwie a wɔkoko no na nantwie ne nipa ne na sɛ nantwie yɛ aboa deɛ a ɛna nipa biara nso ɔdi obi n'akyi ɔte sɛ nantwie nantwie yɛ aboa deɛ a ne obiara ɔdi obi n'akyi yɛ aboa na mpɔfiri mu na wɔde ɔse sɛ mpɔkyerɛ a wɔde twe okyimifoɔ aso bible pɛ na okyimifoɔ sɛ ɔdi obi n'akyi Proverbs 7 verse 22 na mɛduro now then what do you want what do you want in this world what do you bring what do you mean make do what them Bible say odi na dia wemfem se nantwie na say mpontre a wode chitinifo Proverbs 7 verse 22 kenkan so what do you mean ya Bible say what do you bring na what do you mean die na ti di no you bring it Genetique. Tadi orang siapa genetique? Kosi se ejan shule ni mbele buomu au. Kosi se ejan shule ni mbele buomu. What you say? Kopimi se. Aberanteɛ no firi kɔm baa yɛ bɛto wo sɛ woda ne yere so wobuto bi obi yere so aberanteɛ no firi kɔm baa yɛ bɛto wo sɛ woda ne yere so afei wo na wunie afei wɔn wo timie beebi a wo timie de wo bɛdu yɛ mmeranteɛ no bi yɛ mmoa sɛ wɔasi obi yere wɔnfana nkɔ beebi asɛ gɛɛ naa fie na wo deɛ wɔnum sɛbɛsɛbɛ kama nufu na wɔnum yɛ anaa wɔnum nipa nufu. Kama ni funa wonu me ya ba usa no kama ni funa ta wonu ntelu fu etu yi pa se wo ya yin se wo bosu nya kono etu yi pa se wo na mo bosu na kono le yin se de wo a wo ti obi yere dina ko mo ni fie so wo le ko bota mai na wo nya wo anka wo ya de wo ye abrante ne firi egmamba ya wo na wo botu ni yin so de de mi o ti ache about your acha just that you try watch it now what you bring it on found you stop following people's wives stop following people's wives stop following people's wives and go and look for your wife stop pursuing people's husband abayiwa pewukunu na time rantie obi kurasiti na wo tinu hodo ye tufu bia shawon poni sa a shawon poni ye tufu bia o se dabi se sa o trogu faza mu o ti abrante e ni fili iri sam ade a pese wo hunu one day obe hu pa e be powdia sa e be powdia tanda e be nyaw apran na be enyam be ti be nyaw obe hu kwase wu obe na kam o ka aba o mbedu ka be hia se wo nam be tese sa o dabi o na ka wo fi se obi ene ne yere abre papa bi na omo ye japade na ono na wo emba be ye miensa na wo no what is our two egu tsaza mo lessons mo na ba aboso apo honam se ofiri sa apo honam se prako sa what yet na sa wo ti obi kunu fi sa na wo fi sa oba no esu odem Now this abano garipo on the bindi. Now guy na ko hide na amount. Now ya bo kano. Now this osudeke osupo. You should not have an old chauka. Hey, Opa wundi o. Na se wundi mse. Opa wa samu dia. Aprante na ya time chidi.
Sir.
Boys and girls somebody who work from because of Welimuti. Girl now can't draw some wagere. Okunu. Boy now can't draw some wagere. Yeah. Abimelech. Na onim say Sarah ne kunu ni Abraham.
Sir.
Abimelech. Abimelech. No onim say Sarah no ne kunu ni Abraham. Ana Sarah so wan kasa.
Dabi.
Eti ofa Sarah say onu be da.
Sir.
Sarah na ko we siesie owuo.
Sir.
We siesie ohaw.
Yare poni.
Na ohuru say Abimelech no ni. Ohun say Abimelech no nim de oye.
Sir.
Eti oma Abimelech be ma jojo ye.
Sir.
I jojo ye no me pass on Sarah nda.
Dabi.
Hono ko yi ho che Abimelech o dayem. Sa ka Abimelech na won nim say ni pala net no oyo bigire. Pane kontem. Ana Abimelech say everybody minimum o say I minim say won nim. And don't tell me cool.
I spell.
And it's not a spell life now. And don't see and now my man what do ya upper one canoe. But only man can who yache. It's young camp for a banner common crew. Now Bible say Abimelech sorry no or Dimrika. Abimelech for so Sarah and say hi Sarah. Abraham. I didn't know what they're upon this house. And also girl in some look on the crew. Oh we know. And now Ochian and Patadia. Patadia di kan ho ma Abraham. Check. As Oriano, and now Paul say, hey, Abimelech, you go for. When they put a boy now, up to me from a woman, sir. A who am from home. It's so you're beginning. Now, when you look good, Nampona wouldn't need one, and then Oka investigation, sir. Now, we'll bet Jem, and they wouldn't meet and I can't I want you, I said. And you wouldn't need and lose out Nakam, company be a car for one chassis. And be a little be a short of prana to just but encounter. And you wouldn't need anything that your father would know. Go, who not jar about Naban, Miss Snow, and Bohudia, sir. Mambo Hudia. Now, so one Bohudia, who song Miss Snow, and command the new yet. Eya wa ye mu sam e fi be play nipa ko sayem nyama e nipa ko sayem ba ko ya ware ye ba ko ye esubo de break ko sayem ba ko enso e tight tia be break tight tia be break e ko sayem omo tia set of Christ for omo tight e twem omo de nsuma mo tight mesraw utia chele pentim men boy for men yabi she tight no correct and then people who chairman so enyapa 7 year what is that what you so one 3 year what you know and I want from the right person so what you acquire said here we this guy Abraham no be obi my name no what year na me who share me say say me kana bro make like say sankai Nakopon obo ne nkofo wa hasizo omo ya asofo genuine pastors that teaches our holiness. The genuine pastors so one fat type after command genuine pastor what watching it one fat type and command genuine pastor what was got watching it and do Nakopon we one record it it will go ahead what I said I will call in your free sir Tieniye, me say, I saw a colonial free. If we say, a best short, they will say, we church now, and never go here. There is no church in heaven. Therefore, if your church can't change you, change your church. There is no church in heaven. Therefore, if your church can't change you, change your church. So, for Pierre Kacha will say, but Tonku, but Toya, Mr. 23 or Sọfọ bi ọkàtà wọ sẹ ọba asatọ ẹnẹ fìyà fìyà sọ ẹnum. Sọfọ bi ọkàtà wọ sẹ ọba asasmadeɛ ɔsɛ wedding ring ɔsɛ jewelry sa ɛnyɛ hyɛ mbɛsɛ ɔdan okra jewelry okra nkwa na ɔnte aseɛ ntia sɔfo bi akata wɔ sɛ woyɛ ɔba na ba asɔre a ne by force sɛ kata wo tiri so ɛne by force sɛ kata wo tiri so hey kan jewelry okra nkwa mese saa nsɛm wei ɛre nkyɛ ɛbɛbɔ mɔɔ because ɛwurade atoyɛ gum ebisa pentecost fɔ na ɛdi yakubɔ nyambɔ ọmọ jẹ kúmọ yẹn mọ fẹsẹ no káwọ kọ pentecost a yẹ kura duku na gate ẹbẹ ọbẹ bọ wọyẹ ọba a wosoro legends wosoro trouser wosoro nika wosoro ẹsọ ndẹ ọba kó nyina bá yẹn na ọba pini ní nyẹ wúrẹ mu wọ́n sẹ mo ní ebie yẹ o mo ní afẹ́ lè fira mọ́ sọfọ táàmù kọ. Ẹ̀ta mọ̀kọ́ ẹ̀fẹ̀ nsí ẹ̀yà na ìrẹsì náà ẹ̀wọ̀ no ọ̀bànìsàfọ́ ìbú ni bẹ́ na yẹn ká na sẹ̀ àmì dẹ̀ mẹ̀tí mi sẹ̀ èfúntò yà ìwádìí náà mẹ̀sọ́ ẹ̀dí ẹ̀ma wọn no ẹ̀bẹ̀ yà òfin àwọn tie wọ́n ní wọ́n yẹ gya yà mẹ̀sìnà wọ́n ní mi kọ́ bọ̀ wọ́n ní wọ́n yẹ gya yìí 30 years ago mẹ̀sìnà kọ́ pẹ̀lẹ̀ tiri kwan lẹ́sàn-án náà ó wà sẹ́mu kẹsí ẹ̀ pa wọ́n lè pa tẹ̀mú da lẹ́sàn-án di àjà ọba bíẹ́ náà wọ́n kọ́ àtẹnà wọ́n kọ́ àtẹnà sẹ́ wọ́n ti sẹ́ wọ́n tún bẹ sẹ́ wọ́n ní dèmó di à mẹ́ wọ́n ní dèmó wọ́n kọ́ àtẹnà forget about any other woman now remain single till you die sáà ọba no ọ̀nù sọ wọ̀rẹ́ yà kọ́ kẹ́kẹ́ ní sẹ́ ọ̀njà ikú ọba ẹ̀ ma nọ́mbà ní wọ́n bẹ̀ tẹ̀nà ọba ń sọ wọ̀rẹ́ kọ́ kẹ́kẹ́ ní sẹ́ ọ̀njà sáà ọba ẹ̀ ma nọ́mbà ní wọ́n tẹ̀nà obi le kan sɛm meyere dada sanbra meyɛ ware meyere dada sanbra nsɛhwɛ misrɛ wo wopɛ heaven akɔ a mɛmfa wawe ndi agorɔ nyankopɔn ɔnhyira wo na ɔnka wo ho ɔnyɛ wadom bebree amo akoma a ɛgye asɛmpa na ɔma wo nyɛ asoɔdenfoɔ ɔma wo nyɛ tiefoɔ werɛfirifoɔ na mmom na ɔma wo nyɛ tiefoɔ yɛfoɔ na wonya nkwagye ma wo kra na mabrɛ wo berɛ yi anyɛ kwa yesu dini amen yesu meda wo ase ɔma woasɛm yi aba ma wo mba na wɔma ntie to sɛ na mɔm na wonya nkwagye ma wo nkra ɛfisɛ aware asɛm wọ́n fẹ́ di agorɔ àwọn alẹ́ asẹ́m ẹ̀wọ̀n ní bílẹ̀ kẹsíẹ́ paa mẹsàn-án sẹ́ mani bá wúni sá na wọ́n so na wọ́n di ọ̀rẹ́ ẹni wọ́n na mẹsàn-án níbi sá ẹ̀wọ̀ jísọ̀ ẹ̀bẹ̀ mu mẹsàn-án sẹ́ kọ́kọ́ mpẹ́fọ́ òbí ẹ̀gbọ́n bí àwọn ẹ̀bẹ̀ la mani tún pọ̀ ní ìsìlá ma nọ ẹ̀wọ̀ Jesus Christ ni mu amen sẹ́ wọ́n fa Yesu a mẹsàn-án wọ́n ti yàn aba ẹ̀yẹ́ ní bí wọ́n fa Jesus wọ́n ní Yesu. If you want for Jesus, you don't know Jesus. But me Abba, the leading woman Yesu. I saw ya be free mo Salvation Way Family Church. But I am true di. One pastor ya e kwaje ya wasaka man haya. Ya wasaka man. Ya kano kula nipa, ya koko nipa. Na one pastor ya. Abra ya maki yitu yi. But me Abba, the leading woman rade. Na me on shira. I want Jesus Christ the mo. Facebook for the people who are I want you to do amen. Bye bye.